So some people will call me and they'll inquire about our greenhouses and they think that maybe they want to build one themselves. And that's fine. There's a lot of do-it-yourselfers out there. But the first thing I would tell you is I built my first one 8 years ago. It took me way longer than I thought it would take. It cost me way more money than I thought it would take. And the greenhouse was not nearly as good as what we built today. So over the years, we have continued to perfect our greenhouse. We've been doing it 8 years. We still make changes. We built our first greenhouse yesterday that was totally different, something we'd never done before. We're constantly doing that over the years. We're always tweaking. We're always making changes, always making them better. The greenhouses are not just nailed together with nail guns, but they're screwed together. We use screws everywhere in this greenhouse. All along inside this greenhouse, you're going to see hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of screws in this greenhouse. So they're very well built. They're very solid structure. So it's not something that the average person could just go out and do in their first attempt and build it like this. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of money, takes a lot of effort and energy to build this greenhouse.